what Dolce would do if she didn't win. I guess we'll never step out the swamp to the motherfucking stage. Cut my mic off cause I'm about to misbehave. Will she ever lose, man? I guess we'll never know. Will she lose her cool? I guess we'll never. I hopped out the swamp, gave the bitch props. Dolce, where you been? Dolce with pop. Will she ever lose, man? I guess we'll never know. Will she lose her cool? I guess we'll never. I guess we'll never know. Guess we'll never see the day that Dolce crown falls. Guess you'll never live to see the day that Dolce loses. Dolce don't win on these Dolce mutants. Dolce don't critique or seek improvement. Right now is my time, my moment. Thank you to my swamp and thank you God I was broke. I thanks you God, I thank you to Top God Entertainment. Ooh, Top Dog Entertainment. Scissors A, Musa and the hating that stands. Mommy, Blake High School and all the bitches I surpassed.